guys, it's Rai and today I will be teaching you how to make a mandrake from Harry Potter. Enjoy! 2, 4, 6, 8, who do we appreciate? Tigers! Tigers! Yay! For this craft, you will need some fake leaves, 1 baby doll, a terracotta pot, and some hot glue. Okay, you're going to start by taking 3 of your fake leaves and hot gluing them together, and you want to make sure these stems are the same size. Hot glue on the rest of your leaves wherever you want, but make sure the bottom of the stems line up with the bottom of this stem. Now rearrange your leaves and place a hot glue dot in the middle of them, like this, to hold them in place. Now you want to cut the ends of these stems so they're even and you can place them on your baby doll's head easily. Now do some trial and error to see where you are going to place the leaves on the mandrake's head. Put the glue on the bottom of the leaf. You don't want to put it on the doll's head because it might melt the plastic. Now you are going to add some final touches to your mandrake. This part is optional, but I just want to finish it off. Now I am going to glue a flower to the mandrake's head. Now that our mandrake's done, we have to do the hard part, herbology class. Well, here goes nothing. Oh no,